Hello everyone, in this video let us learn one of the type of conductance of electrolyte, specific conductance. Okay, actually we have three types of conductances: specific conductance, equivalent conductance and molar conductance. Okay, there are three types of conductances in electrolytes. Okay, so in this video let us learn specific conductance. What is specific conductance? In next video I will explain equivalent and molar conductances. Okay, so to learn about the specific conductance, let us consider an electrolytic cell having height, width and length all are the same with 1 centimeters. Okay, and these two are electrodes. This phase is acting as anode and this phase is acting as cathode. Okay, and inside that electrolyte is there. So total volume of this electrolyte how much? Total 1 ml, or you can say it is 1 centimeter cube electrolyte. Total 1 centimeter cube electrolyte there. Okay, it's clear, right? See here, resistant of this cell, resistant we indicate with R. What is resistant? First of all we must know what is resistance. Resistance means it is a measurement to oppose the current to flow. To oppose current to flow. It's a measurement to oppose the current to flow. It is opposite to conductance. Resistance is opposite to conductance, right? Okay, so the resistance of this cell R is directly proportional to the distance between two electrodes. The distance between two electrodes. These are the two electrodes. Okay, the distance we just assume L. So the resistance of this cell is directly proportional to the distance between two cells and inversely proportional to area of cross section. Okay, the area of cross section of electrode, this area, complete area. Okay, so directly proportional to length means the distance between two electrodes and inversely proportional to the area of cross section. Okay, right. So here R equal to resistance equal to proportionality constant. The symbol we call it as rho. We call it as rho. Rho is a specific resistance. Specific resistance. Okay, the specific resistance, or we can call it as resistivity. Resistivity. Okay, specific resistance or resistivity, and this L by A we term it as cell constant. What we call cell constant. Okay, right. Here R is equal to rho. This is nothing but specific resistance or resistivity into cell constant. So rho equal to specific resistivity is equal to resistance into A by L. Okay, so we know that reciprocal of resistance is always conductance. No, sorry, 1 by rho equal to 1 by R into L by A. Okay, so this is known as specific conductance. Specific conductance. Specific conductance. Okay, the specific conductance we indicate with the symbol like this. We call it as kappa. The symbol we call it as kappa. So here kappa K equal to, it's like K, no? What is this specific conductance? So simply you can call it as conductivity. Conductivity. Specific conductance or conductivity. So conductivity equal to, so inverse of resistance what? Conductance, C. Okay, so 1 by R equal to C. C nothing but conductance, not conductivity, conductance. So conductance into cell constant. conductance into cell constant. Okay. So how to define this conductivity or specific conductance? Conductivity, okay, how to define it? Suppose if you take the length 1 centimeter, the distance between two electrodes, between anode and cathode 1 centimeter, then the area of cross section also 1 centimeter square. Then here I am taking length L equal to 1 centimeter, area of cross section, height into width, I am taking here 1 centimeter square. Okay. So here cell constant how much? Always 1. Cell constant L by A equal to 1 centimeter inverse. Okay. So how to define it? If it is 1, actually K equal to conductance into cell constant, no? Conductance into cell constant. Okay. So cell constant I am taking 1 because length between the distance between two electrodes 1 centimeter and area of cross section 1 centimeter square. So cell constant will be 1 centimeter inverse. So here we can define the specific conductance. It is a conductance of 1 centimeter cube conductor or 1 centimeter cube electrolyte. So here I am writing, what is the definition of conductivity? It is conductance of 1 centimeter cube. Because why we are taking 1 centimeter cube? Because length, the distance between electrodes 1 centimeter and area of cross section also we are getting 1 centimeter cube. So the total volume will be how much? For this total volume 1 centimeter cube, 1 centimeter cube we will consider as 1 ml. Okay. So it is the conductance of 1 centimeter cube or 1 ml electrolyte or conductor, you can say conductor. So generally we are taking electrolytes, no? So here the definition of conductivity is the conductance of 1 centimeter cube means 1 ml electrolyte. Okay. Specific conductance equal to C into 1, here we will get 1. Okay. So it is a conductance of 1 centimeter cube or 1 ml electrolyte. Okay. So what are the units? What are the units for this specific conductance? Here I am writing units. Units for K, specific conductance. Okay. Specific conductance K equal to conductance into cell constant, that is L by A. Okay. Conductance units what? Units of conductance ohm inverse. Okay. Into, or you can keep here length I am taking centimeter by centimeter square. So centimeter inverse, ohm inverse, centimeter inverse. Okay. If it is meter, then meter inverse. If you take length meter and area of cross section also meter square, 1 meter square, then you can take here meter square. So not here ohm inverse you can take as mho or mho centimeter inverse. Okay. So the units for specific conductance ohm inverse, centimeter inverse, or mho centimeter inverse, or you can take here Siemens instead of mho, you can take Siemens, one more unit of conductance, Siemens centimeter inverse. Okay. These are the units for specific conductance or conductivity. Okay. Right. Thanks for watching.